A warm hello to all SCAN4COUD fans. Today we would like to announce ourselves with a short video to show you the latest release highlights. Based on your feedback, we have worked intensively on the new version of our mobile warehouse app, so that you can now manage your warehouse in the Cloud ERP SAP Business ByDesign even more efficiently. In the Quick Access menu, you have now the possibility to check the stock overview. Therefore, select the site, scan or type in additional filter criteria, and press search. Via the side menu of an inbound task, you now have the possibility to create new identified stock IDs. In the case of stock shortage, you are now able to add deviation reasons to complete the task without fulfilling the open quantity. In case you can scan a product or GTIN barcode while you are on a task, SCAN4COUD checks if the product is listed in the task. In case it's available, the user interface switches to the item where the product is included. Both in inbound and outbound tasks, you are now able to see additional task information like supplier and customer names and maintain supplier and customer part numbers. In the main menu, but also in the folder or even while you are in a task, you are now able to scan a task ID to navigate into the task. If the task is not already assigned to you, it will be assigned automatically. In the main menu, you can now remove not used folders. If you have removed a folder by mistake, you can reset the view again. And that was it! What do you think of the new version? We appreciate your feedback. Drop us a like, a comment, send us an email or whatever you prefer. Your feedback is always welcome to us. We hope you enjoy the new features of SCAN4COUD. Talk to you soon!